Medispa Hair Transplant Centers caters the best services under the supervision of world-known plastic surgeon, Dr. Suneet Soni. It's always a hub for international patients for hair transplant. The reason for its popularity is because of the expertise of Dr. Soni.
Satisfied. Excellent, actually. I could go to any hair transplant surgeon in the world, and I chose Dr. Soni because of his background, his artistic background, his vascular plastic surgery background, and his ability to get me the most hair.
Because he's highly regarded and his reviews are 5-star. So that's why I'm here.
Coming here to Dr. Soni was looking like the very best option in the end.
The way the hat comes through, and I would recommend it. This is a good professional outfit.
The center is located in the heart of Jaipur. Jaipur is a heritage city of valor and is the most exciting tourist spot in India. International patients coming to Medispa Hair Transplant Center experience unbeatable beauty of this historical place of India. Medispa Hair Transplant Center at Jaipur is directly connected with the various cities around the world. Matthew from Queensland, Australia, studied minutely about Medispa Hair Transplant Center much before coming here for his hair treatment.
I'm Matthew Hand. I'm here from Queensland, Australia. I've been losing my hair for the last 5 years, and I've come here to meet Dr. Soni for a hair transplant. I feel very comfortable and very confident in his work. I've done a lot of research for the last 2 years, and I think that Dr. Soni is one of the best in the business.
Dr. Suneet Soni took up the case. He realized that Matthew had an extensive hair loss from frontal and crown area.
I have taken a precise decision to extract maximum number of hair with minimal transaction rate, so that we can harvest more number of hair in front and more implantation in front, plus giving proper natural direction, a high density transplant with a proper angulation and direction of each and every hair, so that the patient should look very natural when the hair will grow up.
As per his routine practice, he took Matthew for his complete round of Medispa Hair Transplant Center. Operation theatre of Medispa Hair Transplant Center is unbeatable because it has every possible equipment for patient safety, and those are turned on at the time of procedure. Another division is cutting room, where harvested grafts are prepared for implant. The ultra-hygienic unit is run by highly trained technicians and under the strict vision of Dr. Suneet Soni. Modern equipment magnifies the tiniest particle by 200 times. In Medispa Hair Transplant Center, with the help of video-assisted microscope, each hair graft having a diameter of 0.06 to 0.08 millimeters gets proper visibility. And that is why damage rate of graft is less than 1%.
Specifically seeing the direction of hair and dividing the tissue around it without damaging any hair. Where we are holding the hair is up to the tip. We are not holding the shaft or the root, so that we are not damaging the root by pressing it or by pinching it. So this is the beauty of this video assisted microscope. The damage rate can be reduced to less than 1%.
After thorough rule of modern science, role of artistry start. At the time of slit making, angle and direction of graft is decided. It needs high end of artistic sense. In spite of having stream of doctors in Medispa Hair Transplant Center, Dr. Suneet Soni never leaves this responsibility of silk making on anyone.
Need of his was receding hairline, which has to be reconstructed in a natural way and denser way. Again, we have choose strip technique because we can't afford to make him bald like in FUE. So we didn't cut any hair. We have taken the donor area, left all the area intact, and we have planted in such a manner that it should be properly artistically designed according to his facial profile. We've done proper angulation, direction, a high density transplant in front, and a little bit temporal reconstruction to give the most aesthetic outcome.
Matthew, after undergoing the complete procedure, was amazed because the procedure was 100% painless.
Actually had no pain at all, except for the anesthetic. But yeah, I just thought that it would be a lot more painful and a worse experience. But I think the whole experience overall was pretty good.
Medispa Hair Transplant Center is committed to your safety and comfort. It is a place to give you an aesthetic transformation with a natural looking hair transplant with high density.